Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about how to unlock the secret to growing an insane TikTok following. TikTok is one of the fastest growing social media platforms, and if you're not on it yet, you're missing out on a huge opportunity to grow your audience. But how do you get started, and how do you grow your following? Do you want to know the secret to growing an insane TikTok following? Well, you're in luck, because in this video, we're going to reveal the key to unlocking TikTok success. First things first, let's talk about the importance of creating high-quality content. The content you create is the foundation of your TikTok account. If you're not putting effort into creating engaging, visually appealing videos, then it's unlikely that you'll gain a large following. But it's not just about the content itself, it's also about the way you present it. Make sure you're using trending hashtags, engaging captions, and eye-catching thumbnails to make your videos stand out. Another key to TikTok success is collaboration. Collaborating with other creators can help expose your content to a wider audience and help you gain new followers. But it's not just about creating great content and collaborating with others. You also need to engage with your followers. Responding to comments, asking for feedback, and even just saying thank you can go a long way in building a loyal following. And finally, don't forget about consistency. Regularly posting high-quality content and engaging with your audience is the key to growing a successful TikTok account. So, there you have it, the secret to growing an insane TikTok following. Remember to create high-quality content, collaborate with other creators, engage with your audience, and be consistent. Follow these tips, and you'll be well on your way to TikTok success. Thanks for watching.